Hi, today's lecture will be on glycolysis, which is the first stage of cellular respiration. So glycolysis means the breaking down of glucose, because lysis means breaking down, and glyco means glucose. So the breaking down of glucose. Glycolysis takes place in the cytoplasm of the cell, which is a jelly-like substance. So imagine this is the cell. There's cytoplasm that is within all of the cell, and that's where glycolysis takes place. So the actual process of glycolysis occurs when we have this 6-carbon chain. So the 6-carbon chain that is the cell cuts right in half. So now we have 2 3-carbon chains that are called pyruvate. However, in order for it to make pyruvate, the cell needs to invest 2 ATP, 2 adenosine triphosphate, in order for it to get the energy to cut the actual 6-carbon chain. In the end, it ends up being and making 4 ATP. So we know that 4 ATP end up coming out. The cell tells phosphate to go attach itself to every single ADP. We know that ADP stands for adenosine diphosphate because there are only 2 phosphate. But once another phosphate comes and attaches itself, it is ATP, adenosine triphosphate, because now there are 3 phosphate. Our net profit will be 2 ATP because we ended up with 4 ATP, but we invested 2 ATP to create the pyruvate. So now we only have 2 ATP that we actually had a profit in. So just through glycolysis, we already made 2 ATP from 1 molecule of glucose.